Hi guys, this is my little Saturday series I'm trying out. I always try vlogging and then kind of give up on it, but I figured for the month of October I would do a little Saturday self-care vlog and just make it a little more personal and share a day in the life. So I wanted to share just kind of what this Saturday is going to look like for me. Typically on the weekends, I really like to organize a little bit. I think once you hit your 30s, organization just becomes like a full hobby, as you can see from my kitchen video. So one thing I really need to do is go through my closet, because I'm used to just being in LA, and now that I'm in New York too, it's like I have to actually separate summer clothes and winter clothes. In LA, we wear the same clothes all year round. So I wanted to go through some of that today, and then also just get rid of things that I don't use. And I have a system for this because I know it can be really hard to throw things out, especially women. There's actually studies that show that we hold like an emotional attachment to our clothes, and that's why we hold on to things for so long and like tend to not want to throw them out. So I have a really good suggestion for this, which is, if you don't know and you're not sure but you don't want to throw it out, just take it out of your closet and put it somewhere for like 6 months. Like put it in a bin, put it out of your sight. And then if in like 6 months to 8 months you haven't even touched it, you got to get rid of it. Donate it, sell it, Poshmark, one of those sites, do something like that. So I'm just going to go through and show you guys. And I actually think I'm going to do some Instagram stories and ask people's opinions on like, should I keep it? Should I get rid of it? Okay, so I'm just going to do my little closet cleanse. Again, I also just feel like having a clean space relaxes you so much. Like when there's clutter, it's very hard to relax, and like rushing through your day where you can't get through anything. Those are my reasons. So anyway, let's go through. I don't know if I've ever showed what I do in my closet in the situation I have, but I have these little dividers that kind of just feel like you're shopping in a store. They're so helpful. I'll do another video dedicated on more organization tips, but let me go through some of the summer things. Okay, like this is cute. This is like one of those tops that I felt like a night out in New York City like would be really cute, but I've literally never worn it and it's been a year. So I feel like I need to do a vote on this one. I've worn this green top a lot. You've probably seen that in some of my YouTube videos. This is a great one. Okay, so this is obviously a tank top, but this is so great to wear like under a blazer. So I feel like this one definitely has to stay. This is not like necessarily a summer top. And this, I don't know what I was thinking. I think I wore it in one video, but I really don't like it anymore. So I don't even think I need to do a vote on this one. I've had this for like almost 3 years and gotten some use out of it. I wonder if I should keep it. I think this should be an Instagram vote. See what they think. Okay guys, I want to do a little like closet haul, like a mini one in stories, and get your opinion on things I should keep or toss. And by toss I mean donate, of course. But I can't, there's some of these I've literally had in my closet for so long and have never worn. So for the next few stories, if you could vote, I would love you forever. I'm like, do I get rid of it? Do I keep it? I don't love a halter top on me. No specific reason, just a weird quirk. So let me know. And just to share a little bit more about how I organize my closet, I cannot recommend dividers enough in label makers. Like, I don't know why I wasn't doing this my whole life, but I like to keep my bulkier things up here, like sweatshirts and jeans, like denim, things that are a little heavy that will take up a lot of space when I'm hanging them. And just kind of divide them like this. Just literally putting labels makes such a difference, and it helps you just not shove it up there and like everything gets all messed around. And it's just honestly made my life so much easier. And it's those little things that you do to make your life easier and more efficient that helps you just stay on track all around and makes you feel a little more put together and efficient and have more time for healthy eating and cooking. I just wanted to share a few of my new favorites that I have, just to give you a little clothing haul. But this jacket, I'm so in love with. It's by Florida Mall, and I just feel like it's so elegant. I would wear this inside with like a skirt and a top and almost kind of like a robe, or on like a warm fall or spring day. I think it's something that I could just have forever. It was a little bit of a splurge, but I feel like this is never gonna go out of style, so I really love it. And then I also love this top, which you guys probably know from my videos. I love a good puffy shoulder pad. So this is an Isabel Marant, and it has this little like tie right here. So it's not really cropped, just like a very little bit, and it has the structured shoulders, which I think is really cute. And I just want to say shout out to Amazon, because these t-shirts that I got on Amazon, they're literally like a little boy's t-shirt in size medium, but I wear them all over the house. Sometimes I wear them with like baggy sweatpants, and I feel like they're just really cute. It's just like a basic tee. And these shorts are Amazon. They were pretty inexpensive, and I like the length because they're not too short. So if you're like running around or like doing a workout. And let's just shout out the slippers. These are also Amazon, and they're so cute. So I like to do high-low. So I just wanted to take a quick breather, because whenever it gets messy and chaotic, I feel a little bit anxious. I just hate mess around me. So I want to stop and do a little breathing exercise that I thought could be nice to share. I actually filmed a video on this that's going to be going up next week, but just to give you a little preview of it, it's basically just stopping and taking a really deep breath through your nose and letting your belly fill up, and then breathing out your mouth. And just doing this will really relax you. Like, it actually chemically relaxes your body, which I'll get into in the video, but just gonna kind of stop and do that to let myself chill out for a minute. So I just ordered from one of my absolute favorite places in New York City. This place is called Le Botaniste. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. But what I love about this place is that it's fully plant-based, but when you walk in, it literally smells like you are at your grandmother's house, maybe in Morocco. It smells like home cooking, super healthy. They have a lot of really warm stews, and everything's ready to go. It's kind of like you just choose what you want. My go-to for like years, anytime I'd come visit New York even, is the tagine, the vegetable tagine. And it's just got like a really nice mix of like potatoes and carrots and cabbage over quinoa. And it's got a really, really yummy broth. So especially on like weekends when I'm like doing a lot of house chores, I like to just order in. I want to start sharing a little more places that I order in, because I do a lot, and this is like one of my favorites when it comes to just eating clean, because you know sometimes when you order in, it can be a little heavy. Okay guys, I'm gonna enjoy this. I hope you enjoyed episode 1, I guess I'll call it, of my little Saturday self-care series. Just a little reminder that self-care comes in so many different forms, you know, the healthy food you eat, the decluttering, you know, taking care of your mental health, and there's just so much that goes into it. So I hope that you guys practice little things and take care of yourselves too. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you next time.